Meet Fobo Tyre, the most advanced tire pressure monitoring system. Fobo Tyre is the first TPMS to use Bluetooth Low Energy. Fobo Tyre comes with a 3-level alert telling you when the tire is merely underinflated or if it is dangerous to continue driving. Fobo Tyre alerts you of a tire leak even when you're away from your car, giving you time to get it fixed. You will always be on time for your important appointment. Have more than one car? Fobo Tyre monitors multiple cars simultaneously. You can even share Fobo Tyre with others through our cross-pair technology. And it's great for families, no matter who is using the car. Fobo Tyre is intuitively designed for quick and easy installation. Fobo Tyre has an inbuilt theft deterrent feature and notification when the sensor is missing. It monitors your car tires continuously, 24 hours every day, giving you and your family peace of mind for a safe and comfortable ride. Fobo Tyre monitors for you so that you can enjoy the journey.
Our team has worked a lot with Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, and Bluetooth technology. We now merge these two technologies to create the world's first Bluetooth Smart TPMS. This TPMS is compact, easy to use, and works directly with your smartphone to provide a 24/7 monitoring. Our dream is to integrate the best of design and best of performance so that you could have a reliable product that you will enjoy using. We are now proud to bring you Fobo Tyre. Fobo Tyre is designed from the drawing board to be artistically sleek and yet robust. It had gone through many prototype stages and been subjected to rigorous mechanical and functional tests. Fobo Tyre is now ready for mass production, and we are very close to bringing it to you.